Hey everybody, just want to do a quick video on a new accessory I've added to my 6.5 turbo diesel. This one is by Truxedo. It's their Elevate rack system, and it works with their pretty much any tonneau cover that sits inside the bed rail. So I'll just give you guys a quick tour of this rack, and really happy with how it went. Took about an hour and a bit to install. So pretty quick, but let me show you what it's all about. Alright, so here it is fully installed. This is the Truxedo Elevate rack system. So what you get in this kit, you buy it in two pieces. You would get the Elevate rails, and then those come with these tie downs as well. And then you buy the rack system separately, and the rack is adjustable. It has this height, which is the lower height that I have it set in right now, and then it goes up about another foot and sits higher than the level of the top of the cab. So perfect if you're needing to use it for work and haul ladders, or do anything like that where you've got to get something out over the top of the cab. This height here is really good if you're going to do any kind of sports, whether it's kayaks or maybe you're hauling bikes or you're hauling skis, snowboards, and you want to keep the box free for other things, luggage maybe. So it's a really cool rack. It's very heavy duty, as you can see the way the uprights and everything are positioned. Went together really well. And then I have that paired on this truck, which is an 8-foot bed. This is a crew cab dually. So I have this one paired with the Truxedo LoPro Tonneau cover. Forgive me, it's a little dirty. Didn't get a chance to wash the truck yet before this video, but as you can see, kind of how this all goes together. And then on the top of the rail is another T-channel where you can turn around and add additional accessories, whether that is clamps for holding things down, ladder stops. Works with any kind of T-channel accessory, so you'll find that in bike racks from companies like Thule, Yakima, ladder stops also from those companies, you name it. So and then I mounted the tie downs in the four corners, as you can see. The whole system's really nice. It's black powder coated with a nice texture to it, and yeah, really happy with how that all turned out. I would imagine you could even load like an aluminum fishing boat or something like that on top of this. And it just gives you a ton of different applications that you can use it for. So that is the Truxedo Elevate rack system, and again, you compare that with any type of tonneau cover that sits inside the bed rail, because you've got these rails that go down, which is your T-track, and your tonneau cover needs to sit on the inside of that track. So if you're looking for a good rack solution and you've got a pickup truck that you need to accessorize, check out the Truxedo Elevate rack system. This one I picked up through JB's Power Center, and they're in Edmonton, Canada, so check it out. Thanks.